In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in the Amazon app. Whether you've just moved to a new country, you're learning a new language, or you simply prefer a different display language, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the setting and how to apply it with confidence. Start by opening the Amazon app and going to your account area. From the home screen, look at the bottom menu bar and select the person icon. This takes you to your account hub where Amazon keeps most of your personal settings and preferences. Once you're on that screen, glance up to the top right corner. Next to the bell icon for notifications, you'll see a small flag. That flag represents the language and region settings for your app. Go ahead and tap the flag once. This opens the language menu, where you can browse through the available options. The list may vary depending on your location, but you should see a clear set of choices. Scroll down until you find the language you want to use. Take your time and choose the option that matches your preferred language, not just the region, so your menus and prompts display the way you expect. After you've selected your desired language, use the back button in the top left corner. This returns you to the previous screen, where you'll see a prompt to confirm your choice. Select Done to save your change. The Amazon app will then update and display in the language you selected. It may take a moment for everything to refresh, and some sections might reload to apply the new setting across the app. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the flag icon, make sure you're on the Account tab with the person icon selected. The flag won't appear on the home feed or search pages. If the language you want isn't listed, it may not be available in your current region. Changing the app language does not switch your shopping region or currency, so your delivery options and prices remain tied to your existing marketplace. You don't need to sign out or reinstall the app. The change applies right away once you tap Done. And if the interface looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. Android and iOS can vary slightly, but the person icon, the bell, and the flag are the markers you're looking for. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.